long journey. 6 wheels.
Everything powered independently.
This is not just a motorhome. This is a moving fortress. Built for extreme adventure and full off-grid living. 6 wheels, massive power, unlimited freedom. And inside, pure comfort.
Let's explore the 2026 Mercedes 6x6 Motorhome.
The design looks military and powerful.
Armored body panels protect the cabin.
Bright LED light bars for dark trails.
Roof racks carry extra gear.
Six-wheel setup increases stability.
Extreme off-road tires grip any terrain.
Multiple access points for convenience.
Large external storage compartments. High ground clearance for rough roads.
Protected underbody for rocky terrain.
Designed for long-distance expeditions.
Premium interior packages available.
This is luxury mixed with survival.
Spacious living area with sofa.
Fully equipped modern kitchen. Convertible dining space.
Convertible dining space.
Electric cooktop for easy cooking. The unfarde man.
Large fridge and smart storage. Every space is used wisely.
Comfortable fixed bed in the rear.
Made for long journeys. Compact but functional bathroom.
Hot shower, even off-grid.
Soft lighting creates cozy atmosphere.
Practical daily living features. Large fridge and smart storage.
Hidden storage under bed.
Big windows bring natural light. Comfort meets adventure. Built for full-time off-grid life.
Expected high-torque turbo diesel engine.
Hybrid assistance may increase efficiency.
Six-wheel drive ensures maximum traction.
Perfect for desert.
Confident in mud.
Climbs extreme terrain.
Smooth even on highways.
Advanced suspension absorbs shocks. Handles heavy load easily.
Made for long journeys. Made for long journeys.
Made for long journeys.
Power meets control.
Modern digital cockpit.
Large infotainment system.
Navigation for remote areas.
Full smartphone integration. Solar panels for clean energy.
Large battery storage system.
Smart energy management. Stay off grid for days.
Everything powered independently.
Mercedes reliability meets smart tech. Reinforced chassis for protection. Powerful braking system. Collision prevention system. Advanced traction control. Six wheels increase stability.
Full driver assistance features.
Safety always comes first.
Pricing is expected in the high range. Likely mid to high six figures.
Insurance costs must be considered.
Maintenance planning is necessary. Fuel cost is important.
Multiple customization packages available.
Upgrade battery and solar systems. Ash may the bin last or bar.